Okay, so be live in 3, 2, 1. Live. Okay, so who's the group leader? We can start our next presentation for this evening. Okay, so for those of you who want to see, can also view this from here.
Okay, can I start, Doctor?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shafa Ilas Al-Muzani, and I would like to also introduce other group members. They are Tubagus Fauzan Abdulaziz, Tania Febrianti, Izzatul Kamila Tunisa, and Faradisa Kamila. In this presentation, we would like to present to you about our project. For our project, wait, I share my screen now. For our group, we selected this template, which is PLK design system. Before we start to present our part, I would like to highlight specific part selected for each group member. So today, I and Tubagus will present about user registration. Tanya and Izzatul will present about login page, and Fardisa will present about forget password. So now Tubagus will start to present now.
Okay, so I will start first. So for this website, we go to getting started, and then we proceed to register page. Okay, so as we can see here, to register we have to state our full name, our email, and our password, and then we can proceed to get started, and after we agreeing the terms and condition, but there is some condition for when we register. So the first one, if the full name, email, and password is empty, so there will be alert to there will be alert uh, please fill all required fields, and then if okay, so after that we insert our full name, email, and password. So this is from Ilyas. Okay, we agree. Okay, get started. So after we registered, the account is already stored into the database. But if we proceed again to make another account, example, so we make again with the same email. So after we click, there will be alert saying that the email is already used. So we need to change our email address to make another account. And then after we change, we can proceed. So the account will be stored. The new account will be stored into the database. Okay, I think that's all from me. So now Ilyas will explain about the database.
Okay, I just want to include the database to check whether our data is safe or not. So let's say here in our query, we can type.
Cannot see your screen, Ilyas.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can you see now?
Can. Cannot. Still under register. still under apa ni? Last screen Tabagus present.
Okay, I try to stop share first.
Okay.
Can you see now?
Okay, yes.
Okay, so here we can type select all from user table because we make user as our table, and then we can run. So here our full name and email and also password is already saved in our database system. So now we proceed to login page. So Tania and Izzatul will present about it.
Okay, next I will explain the login page. Okay, Liz, can you stop share? I will share a screen. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Not yet.
Yes. Yes. Can. The purple one, right?
Yes, the purple one.
Yeah.
The purple one, right? Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
For the login page, if select the first page, we go to the login page, and we can see this the page for login page. Because it's the login, we can log in. The user can log in if them have registered for the first, like in the database. We can look for this. This have people have registration. So this the people can log in to the system. So like example. So I can read this like have registered first, like izzatul@gmail.com. So we can create the password 1, 2, 3. If you confuse or make them wrong, you can show the password so you can see the password. So after that you can log in, and she said the login successful. So if you select OK, she bring to you the welcome page. So but if you not register, so if you first not registered, she can say the invalid because you not yet first registered. Like we try as try at gmail.com, and the password we can try 1, 2, 3. So if you log in, she say this invalid details because the user not yet registered. So same like as we can look this, if you have registered this, the people have registered in saved in database can log in to the system. So like whatever you try this, but if you're not yet, you she can invalid, or like you make a wrong password, like example izzatul, I make again izzatul@gmail.com. If I create one wrong password like 235, let's show, but it is wrong. She said to invalid data, so user can not enter to the system. So if you enter, you can look you can look the welcome page. Okay, if this time Tania will explain the next for this.
Okay, I will present the welcoming page of the system after the user have logged into the system. The page will show like this: welcome to BLK demo. And in this welcome page, after user have logged in, the user will be able to try the features. For example, user will try the buttons, and user can use these features. The different welcome page and the landing page before user log in is the when user haven't logged in into the system, user cannot be able to use any features, and the system will not explain try to make any demo. So in this landing page, the user will be able only be able for see the page, and for the welcome page, but on the welcome page, the user will be able to use features that make any demo on BLK system. But for this one, we haven't create the features, so I will proceed to the next part. Farah.
Okay, next I will explain about the forget password. Oh wait, I want to search my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen, Doctor?
Yes.
Okay, for the forget password, the feature is in the login page. While we see the login page, there are a forget password here. If the user forget their password to login, while we clicking the forget password, we use the email that we have been registered before. For example, I already registered my email. The name is this. And then we enter the new password here and also confirm the password. We have to make sure that the new password and also the confirmation of the password is the same. If the password is not the same between two of these, the system will giving alert that the password is not matched and the password should be the same. Then the users need to doing the same thing, doing again writing their password in the box like this. Okay, before I reset the password, we can see from the database here for the email disa16@gmail.com, the password is like this. And if we change the password into this, the password will change into this. And if and if the forget password, and if we don't fill anything in this box, then the system will alert with email is required to fill, and also the password is required to fill. That's all, doctor, for the forget password.
Okay, I think so far right now, yeah, I think another person has not presented, right? To Bagus, right? I think the rest have done, right? Farah, Shifa, Izatul dan tuan, right?
To Bagus is present the first time, doctor.
Okay.
Login page.
Okay. Right, login page, right? And then Izatul, done already?
Yeah, login page.
Yes, I have a present in login
Okay,
page.
okay. Before that, who else not presented yet?
All presented
All
actually.
presented, eh? Okay, right. Let's check back. Let's one of you show your the interface, the original interface template, and the template that you have edited. Okay, this is the original template.
Yes, doctor.
Okay,
this
so
page.
what's the content? Can you go scroll down a bit?
The content is like the basic element of the Bootstrap.
Yes.
Okay, hang on. Right. Okay. Did you take the one from the one that I gave you from the Google Drive?
Yes, doctor.
Is it?
Mm.
Let me check.
What their template?
Which template?
Which
Okay.
template you do?
BLK.
BLK system.
Yeah, BLK.
Let me
BLK
check.
design system.
Hang on.
BLK. So from accept the login page, because what I can see right now, you only did for login page, right?
Can I just share my screen?
Yes,
Yes.
doctor.
Yes, doctor.
Which one was it that you take from?
At the top, doctor.
This doctor BLK
Oh, yeah. This
beside
one.
this. Yes.
Okay. Hang on. Let me just check back again. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Okay, right. Can you share back again your screen? Okay, right. So basically this template is a little bit more simpler, which is actually an empty for you to do design. Okay. If you scroll down, I mean, if you see on the top, maybe some of the things that you guys need to do is, for example, like putting down the company that you're looking at. Okay. If you look carefully inside here, okay, right. Let me just put down what each of you have done. Okay. So maybe Shifa, what specific that you do? Can you explain?
Shifa?
Insert.
For now, I did for user registration.
Okay,
But-
user registration. Okay, then can you see the code? Can you show me the code that you do for that? Do you have the code? Read.
Okay, wait a minute.
I can hear your voice. Your voice is losing. Can you show me your code, the one that you have done?
Can you see now?
Yes. Okay. So this is the registration. Okay. So this will be the create, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And you have the insert. Okay. How about the update? Can you show me the code for the update?
For now, we just focus on how the account is registered, doctor.
Okay. So means you do not have update. No update. Okay. So means there's no mark for you update, and there's no marks for you for delete. Is it okay? Are you okay with that?
Yeah, but
Okay, as what we have instructed, each of you must have create, read, and update and delete. Is it very clear?
yes, doctor. But we actually not have done yet, doctor.
Okay. All right. So you have not done it. Okay. So right now you only have read and you only have create. So update and delete don't have. Right?
Yeah, right
Yes,
now.
All right. So we have to mark that you do not have that. Okay. So you only have create. Okay. Right. So anything else you want to show about user other than create and register and read? Anything?
I think
Anything else?
some of in .html there is some changes, but only a little bit content, doctor.
I think not so crucial. Okay. Right. So
Yeah.
Tanya, let's go to Tanya. Okay. What have you done? Can you show me which code that you have done? Which part did you do?
I then login and welcome page with Izatul and Farah.
You can have to do individually, as I told you. But if you look carefully, login, user, delete, everything is already done, which I already shown you guys before, right? That one's supposed to have as an overall. So other than that, what else you do?
From the
Remember
template.
when during the classes, right? During our classes, I teach you how to create user, how to delete user, how to update, how to do that inside the class, right? I have teach you guys before, right? Have I?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, and then all those supposed to be inside your project, and on top of that, you have to do something else, which is any module or anything that you want to do inside the template. So that template is a basic template. You can do whatever you want. You can do for a company, you can do whatever you want for it. But right now, what have you added to it other than the one that I'm teaching? So if I teach you and you only implement that, means there's nothing that you have done.
Logout, doctor. But
Huh?
for logout,
Which-
doctor.
Logout also is the same thing. I will also teach you also. Logout is also about the user. I will teach you how to delete the session, and I also teach you how to delete the cookies. That is also I teach you before. What is something extra that you have done?
For CRUD, haven't done, doctor.
Okay, so there's nothing from your side.
Yes, doctor.
Nothing, empty. Confirm? Nothing?
Doctor.
Yes. Okay, confirm.
I wanted to apologize before because
Okay.
actually our group is confused about this template. Confused about what we have to do to this template, because this template, I just realized this template is like designing template. So we get confused to make the
Right.
5 different CRUD for each person, doctor. So
Right.
our group still focusing on making the register page, login page, and then the forget password, doctor. And we also just got the idea to make the CRUD for each person, Doctor. So
Mhm.
we decide to present the register and login and then the forget password first, Doctor.
I think, but it's kind of too late, isn't it? Because today your presentation now to say now you said you're confused.
Yes, Doctor. But I think Safa already texted Dr. Anita for asking about the project, Doctor.
I can
Uh,
remember that. So
Shafa,
what do you
can
ask me,
tell?
Shafa?
Think I asked about how we can do the for view, delete, update, and read.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because right now, yeah, at beginning we were confused about what can we do with our template actually.
That's what if you confused about the template, so we give it you the template. They have the other group who not understand the template, and then once they select the template, so they show us, okay, give request our advice.
Yeah. In
So
fact,
what
they
we
also asked us to do
because
early presentation, even.
early presentation, but if you do not understand for the template, so you can ask us actually, because for the templates you need to observe the template and then you need to uh, uh, pick which part, which module you can do it through actually. But for right now, what you have done actually correct, but only for login page.
Yeah. It was like always like maybe like 10% or 20%.
Yeah, 10%.
Where's the another 80%, 90%?
As I told you, so every single person in your same group must select one specific section from the template given. So did you see the presentation from the previous group
Previous group. Did
for
you
today?
observe all? Yeah. Did you observe all the others?
So can you see your mistake?
Yes, Doctor.
So you can, because right now you do not have any module
Yep. You have nothing.
to represent for each person. Okay. So but you still have a time. Okay. So you still have a time. Right now, 10 of July. So you have another 10th day to redemo for your project, because right now you only have a login page, actually very common. So every system must have login page, and if you notice your login page also, you do not have a specific level of user.
Right. And in fact, whatever that I taught you about update, delete is even not even there.
For example, you just register, but we do not know this user actually admin or normal user.
Yeah. You also do not have admin user, normal user also don't have.
But I think for your group, we can help you actually, if you do not understand the template. Okay, now go to your template and then try to show me which part you can pick for your section to do it. Okay. Do you think you can? Do you think what we call it? Sir, the template, sir. So which part?
If you look carefully at the
share the
template, see the
can you
template
share
first. Can you open the template back?
Okay, you open the template because I can download. So for login page, actually for the what we call it, for the not requirement. Your requirement actually for do it through each person for 4 pages. That one. Okay. Login page session, actually maybe you can one of you can do it, but the module part, okay, which part of module you take. For example, if you see the previous presentation, so they take contact pages, pricing, introduction pages, Okay, services pages. So they have their own part.
Yep.
But
You can
for
also
the
create yourself if you want to.
mm,
Try to show your own slide. Show your template again.
template. Show your template. Okay.
Okay, like for example, like you see you have the template here, like getting started. Okay, or you can also customize how to insert this, how to change download, how
For
to
this
change the
page.
name. You can change the design system. You can also change the title of this. You can change all this title. Scroll down some more.
This is
Okay.
one page actually.
Yeah, this is just one person. One person can do this.
Mm-mm.
Okay,
So,
right?
mm-mm.
Right. So what else? Okay, just say you scroll down some more. This is one person can do. Okay, maybe these basic elements. This is something that is a little bit more focused on the different type of element. But what you can actually do, you can change all these. Maybe just say that you want to show about certain things or certain products. Okay, you can change all this using a product. Okay, whatever product you want to sell, or maybe the landing page. Register, how to register a page, how to do a landing page, how to do a profile page. All of this is another things that you can actually do. All this you can do. This is actually some how to do a documentation. All this is actually a simple one. You can do one person can do a documentation, can do a landing page, another one can do a profile. It's nicely done. Everything is here. Okay, you can scroll down some more. Okay, scroll down some more. Right? Okay. Right, all the way down. Some more down, all the way down. Scroll down. All the way down. Down. Some more. Some more down, all the way down. Okay.
This one also you can click.
Right. Okay, all right. Go up a bit. Okay, you can change the navigation setting. You can all this you can do. Okay, some more down. Some more down. Down, all the way down.
This doctor?
Okay, some more down, all the way down. The last page. That's at the end of the page.
Of the end of page.
Okay. Right, you can change this. This is one thing that another person can do. Okay, how to do support, how to change this word support. Okay,
But
this
change
is
through database.
change through database. Yes.
So you
All
have
these things is
form.
dynamic. This is all dynamic. Just say that I want to add certain things that I can change. Okay, I want to change the follow us. Okay, if you scroll up a bit. Okay, all right. So this one also you can change. Okay? You love this. You can change the title here. You can change the keyword here. What do you want to download? So all this can be changed.
So
okay,
all this one.
this
all
is like
this
one person.
You save into the database actually. So they have a insert page
Update delete.
update delete for this part.
Yeah.
To
This is
view
one person.
this
one is one person.
paragraph.
Okay, you go up with.
Okay.
Okay, this is the landing page. This one. This is also something that you can actually do. Okay, right. So it depends on how you manage. This is all sample. You can convert this into something more meaningful. Okay, but this course, about all the components, how to change this to Carousel, use this to change the item. Okay, all of this you can do. There's so many things that you can actually do. Okay, right? Clear now?
Yes, doctor.
That's why you need to take one page from this website. So you click the menu and then you can see which page. So you just focus that page.
And then on top of that, you're supposed to have admin page, user page.
Yes. So admin, so you can edit and then you save and then the normal user can see whatever you update. That's why I told you. So currently, your user actually you do not have two level of user admin and normal user. So suppose you can do it lah. Okay. Actually, you can do it. Okay. So any question?
So do you
So-
understand what is the problem?
Do you understand the problem? Clear?
Clear, Doctor.
So you need to pick which section for you easier. You can tune and then convert to dB. Okay, maybe not all the page. They have a certain page maybe difficult for you to do it. So you just find the simple pages that you can do it. Okay. Uh, so means I think for your group you need to redemo back because all your code is not working, right? You do not provide right now. Okay.
Okay, Doctor.
Okay. So do you so far do you okay for this template or you want to change?
You can change if you want. Even to use a template, you can make.
If you see this template is quite difficult, so you can change. Actually, certain students they ask they request to me to change because after they review the template,
The template is not suitable for them or they're not
Not
comfortable
suitable.
with it. So it's up to
not
you.
understand.
That's why we give you so many templates for you to
Template.
choose.
That's why you need to review. Okay.
If you don't understand, then you can also do that. Okay, right? So if you are
Okay.
trying to sell this, I think definitely nobody wants to buy.
Because it's not complete right now.
Yeah, not complete.
Not
Right now.
complete right now, but you can complete.
Hmm.
Okay. Yes. Yes. I remember. So what the Chief Shafa WhatsApp me. So the presentation for today actually not the final one. Yes. So because certain group we allow for redemo for magic correction. So we consider that your group actually magic correction lah.
Yeah.
Because you do not perform crude. So yes, you can redemo to improve, to fulfill the requirement. Actually, the requirement lah you need to fulfill. Okay, so we have a bonus for searching what you can see from the others group doing display and hide. Okay, that one actually the bonus. Okay, so for your group within 10 days, just focus to complete for each member for one module with insert delete update and view for two user, means user admin and normal user. So admin do it crude. Okay. So do you understand so far? Are you clear?
Yes, Doctor.
Okay. So still got time. So don't worry. Okay.
We are really, really sorry, Doctor.
It's
Oh,
okay.
there's nothing to be sorry. It's good for you to make mistake now, not
Yes.
during your working later on. Okay, if you're doing your working, you'll be fired already.
That's why I ask you all to present. I just estimate. Okay, so we have a time to do the correction actually. So if we present near what we call it, end of your exam week, maybe you do not have time to redemo. So right now we still have time lah. Okay, so try to make it within 10 days. Okay, by 20 of July. Okay, because we need to make it fast lah. Because our due date for give the grade, okay, on 23 or 24, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so I have 4 days to review back if you submit on 20. So cancel, right?
Yeah.
I think you can do it. Okay, try to do it.
Can do it lah. I think it's not so difficult. Should be good.
Should be okay. Okay. The problem is you do not understand which part you can select actually, because you need to observe first the template, right?
Yeah. You need to understand fully first what is the function.
The template. You need to understand the template. If you see group number 5, group apa ni medical, group 5, the template is very complicated. They have a lot of things. Okay, but
sometimes if you choose a complicated, it's better than simple one because the simple one looks too simple, but you don't know where to do. Okay, so that is the advantage and disadvantages. but at least you have more. At least you can show more things. But in the end, you still choose the one that is too easy, then you are in trouble now. Okay,
Yes.
right.
Okay.
Okay, right. So I think that's it.
So don't
So
worry.
you happy?
No.
Happy because
I
you
don't,
not
I
complete
don't know.
yet.
Yes.
No, no.
But
I
plan to
think it's
do
not happy because our we are not done about the code.
Okay.
But because
Right.
the doctor have give some comments suggestions, so we can inshallah we can do that.
Yeah, you
Alright.
can do it.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do it actually. You can do it. You need time actually. Okay.
Okay. No
Inshallah,
worry.
doctor.
You can do it. Just do it slowly.
Don't do it slowly.
Okay. Right. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay. Good luck on the next presentation.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Okay, we said
Alright.
later. If you ready, so you just Roger us. Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
doctor.
Okay.
Okay, I will.
Okay.
Thank you very much, doctor.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you
Right.
for you
Thank you,
all.
Doctor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Don't be sad.
Bye.
Okay. Don't be stressed. Don't be sad.
Okay,
Okay.
doctor.
It's a normal. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I think that's all for you all. So thank you very much. Okay. See you for the next redemo lah. So make sure you redemo lah to improve.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, doctor. Bye, bye,
Okay.
doctor.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Bagi saya host.
Sekejap Sekejap Sekejap. Tadi
Cepat,
kita
cepat.
dah bagi.
Tak stop lagi. Nanti. Ya, cakap. Shh.